Hi guys, so today I'm going to be opening up not opening up, but I'm going to see what's inside my lost kittens. Now I wanted these forever. I got this at GameStop, so yeah. And I'm really hoping I get the onion guy because I opened the checklist. And I really hope I get him. And it's in the category working it. And if you're wondering what happened here, I fell in the park. So, yeah. So, I really want that onion guy. So, yeah. And, yeah. So, I really want that onion guy. I always wanted him ever since I saw Cookie Rosie open it. Shout out to her. She's watching right now. So, yeah. So, I'm scratching my back. Okay, so I'm going to, and this is the onion guy I want. This is him, and his name's called Captain Kitten, and I hope I get him. And I have my Play-Doh. Oh, I see stuff, but I'm just gonna hide it. I'm gonna hide it because I don't want to see what it is. So I'm just hiding it, hide it, hide it, hide that, hide that, hide that, hide that, and hide that. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I played with the Play-Doh a little bit. I was just picking it out. That's why it's like not hidden. But I got this. So I'm just gonna hope, fingers crossed, if I get the onion guy. Let's dig in here. I'm gonna go for this thing. Kitten. Hope I get him. I got him! I always wanted this guy. Oh, wait. What does the pink stand for? I think... What does the gold and the pink stand for? I think the gold stands for ultra rare and the pink stands for special edition, or I could be wrong. Could be the other way around. So, sorry if you hear a lot of background noises, but yeah. So there's 36 to collect, and I want another one because I'm loving this collection already. So I got this little cute cat. He looks like Garfield a little bit. Like the grumpy version. Like the happy version. He's much more happier than Garfield. It is a game control. So the little mini tiny Garfield can play. What? It has Play-Doh on it still. I could just get that out like my nail later. But what? I never saw a toy one. Can't get any better. So you see this indent? It's shaped like a cat. Because you could see the tail and everything in the mouth. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. So, oh my god. So he could play. I'm going to do a video about this. I'm going to be like, if I get these, I'm going to save them, not open them right away so I can do a video about them. So, I got this. Oh, wait. Refreshener. That's so good. Air refreshener. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Oh my god, this feels like kinetic sand. I think I could use this in Play-Doh. I mean, I think I could use this in some slime. I see my next item. I see it. It's a rocket ship. I think he's the adventurous one. It's a green little rocket ship. So cute. I still can't pronounce his name, but oh, I really want to Chomp or this one, which I got. I really want to Chomp. Oh, there's a Jolly Roll. There is a Jolly Roll. A J Roll, not a Jolly Roll. A J Roll. Try to spot J Roll. And this is series 1 too. Oh my god, I'm in love already. So, yeah. So I'm just going to be playing with this Play-Doh. Try to make stuff with it. Hope this doesn't stain this thing. This thing, because I have this protective sheet on. Oh, a penny just fell. But I hope it doesn't ruin it. I don't think it's going to ruin it, but because it's Play-Doh or kinetic sand or whatever you call it. But it's so soft. I believe if you put cream in this, it would be even softer than it already is. So soft. So soft. Okay, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Chance to get a shout out in next week's video. Comment down below and give us some video ideas. I see you guys later. Oh, and later I mean tomorrow, but see you guys later. Bye.